guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button before you leave. So today I have an Ulta haul and I spent like $300 and something, I think. But to my defense, one product cost $150. And look at this. This is the extra long barrel that looks kind of strange. Okay, my mind had to go there for a minute. I mean, all right. Anyhow, so it's like 1.5, I think, 1.5 inches. And I have been using it and I'm absolutely loving it. So this is the Bionic. I don't even know. I'm not sure. But I was looking at the Beach Waver and then I saw this one and I was like, for longer hair and like thicker curls, not the real tight curls, you know, like the beach waves kind of thing. So yeah, I got this and you just turn it on by holding the button. And then on the side, it has different temperatures. And yeah, so far, loving this. That was the first thing I picked up. Then, okay, I have to. The Tarte Shape Tape is still my ultimate favorite concealer. It doesn't crease, and their new one actually creases. I don't know. And it's supposed to be creaseless. This one creases. It creases. Tarte, what did you do? You specifically said it didn't crease. This one doesn't say that, and it doesn't crease, but this one says it really, really doesn't crease, and yet it does. So I had to go back to the old formula. I got like light, medium, neutral, or I don't freaking know which one it is. Can't read the little things on there. I mean, my gosh. So yeah, and this was like 20 something dollars. Then brow products. When I do my brows, I need more than one product and I've got to have a pomade. And this one here is the Benefit. And look, I love this right here. I love it because you could just take the brush and now they didn't have any brushes left. You've got to have like a super thin one, especially if you're gonna underline, you know, so you get that like perfect, yes. All right, so I start out with this. Then all my products are like Benefit, I think, except for the Tarte. All right, so then I already had this, but I need this for like the front of my brows, you know, just to kind of help make them look like, because, you know, the girl, I just don't have even, I have 90s brows, okay? I just do. Drew Barrymore's fault. Okay, so, and then I've got pencils. You have got to have a good, sharp kind of pencil. Oh, here's my receipt. I'm so scared to look at that. Very, very scared. Okay, these are like $23, $24, $26. I don't know. I have to get neutral, the 2.5 blonde, and then the 3.5 medium brown. And that's where I really get the top. And I'm like, you know? And just go over it. Sometimes I will use a little bit of powder, but I've got to have all of these products. So let me see. The brow pomade was $23. The pencils were $25. Ooh. And the Tarte was $31. Okay. I mean, all right. And then that baby was $149 something. So that's everything I got in Ulta. I know it's not a lot, right? But it was a lot of money. Yeah. So 2 brow pencils, the brow pomade, the Tarte Shape Tape, and then the long barrel curling iron. Yes, that is everything I got. If you want, I can do a tutorial on either doing my eyebrows. I can even include some stuff in here or doing my hair. I mean, like so far, I'm kind of loving that. I just wanted like a wave, you know? So yeah, that's everything in my haul. I do have a few other things coming. Some unboxings. If you guys want to see the pink zebra, the scent flirt, I will definitely unbox that for you. And I think I've got 1 or 2 other things. I'm not sure. Anyhow, so that's everything for today. Let me know, what is your favorite brow product? I've got to know. Tell me. I need the details. Put it in the comment section. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you've got any questions for me, put them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you guys have not checked out my winners video for the Gem Squad, you're going to want to do that because I noticed some of you have not commented yet, which means you don't know that you're a winner. So you're definitely going to want to check that out. I'll see you guys real soon in another video.